Hello everyone, welcome back to Elevate Vibes Hub channel. Today we're diving into a journey of self-empowerment, a journey that unfolds the potential hidden within you, a potential that often remains untapped. Have you ever felt like you're not maximizing your capabilities? Like there's a higher version of you waiting to be discovered? That's a feeling many of us experience. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to lose sight of our true capabilities. We often find ourselves caught up in the race, focusing on what we haven't achieved yet, forgetting to appreciate our journey, our growth, and our resilience. But the key to unlocking our true potential lies within us. It's about tapping into our inner strength, acknowledging our worth, and empowering ourselves to become the best version of ourselves. This journey is not about becoming someone else, it's about becoming who you truly are. Together, we'll explore how to tap into your inner strength and become the best version of yourself. So, commence this empowering journey. First and foremost, let's talk about acknowledging your worth. This is the cornerstone of self-empowerment. Now, this is not just about tallying up your achievements or dwelling on your failures. It's about understanding and appreciating the entirety of who you are, in all your unique glory. Let's start by taking a moment to reflect on your life journey. Think about the hurdles you've leaped over, the growth spurts you've navigated, and the resilience you've forged like a blacksmith shapes iron. These aren't just past events, they're chapters of your life story, testaments to your strength, and emblems of your character. Now ask yourself, what makes you, well, you? Is it your knack for making people laugh? Your big heart that overflows with compassion? Or maybe it's your creative mind always brimming with innovative ideas. Whatever it is, identify these unique qualities, embrace them, and hold them up high. They are valuable, they are you, and they contribute positively to the world around you. Don't forget to implement daily affirmations. Speak to yourself in a positive language. Phrases like, I am capable, I am worthy, and I am strong are more than just words. They are powerful incantations, shaping your mindset, reinforcing your self-worth, and amplifying your inner strength. And here's a crucial piece of advice. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your value is not a variable that fluctuates with the achievements or lifestyles of those around you. Everyone's journey is unique, and while it's great to celebrate others, don't use their path as a yardstick for your own worth. Often, we shrug off compliments like they're an ill-fitting coat. Instead, start accepting them gracefully. They're not just casual remarks, they're acknowledgments of your abilities and contributions. Lastly, seek constructive feedback. Whether it's personal or professional, it's a valuable tool for growth. Embrace it, learn from it, but never let it define your self-worth. Your value is a constant, unchanging, irrespective of external opinions. By acknowledging your worth, you set the foundation for all the empowering steps that follow. Remember, empowerment starts within, and recognizing your intrinsic value is the first crucial step on this incredible journey. Now that you have acknowledged your worth, it's time to implement self-empowerment in your everyday life. Begin with setting personal goals. Why? Because goals give direction to your life. Picture where you want to be next month, next year, or in 10 years. Define these destinations as tangible goals. They can be big, like running a marathon, or small, like reading a new book each month. Either way, they're yours, and they're important. Next, embrace the power of independent decision-making. Remember, you are the architect of your life. Every decision, big or small, helps shape your reality. So whether it's choosing a job, a partner, or even a meal, make these decisions consciously and confidently. Your choices are a reflection of your authenticity and power. Self-care is another vital component of self-empowerment. It's about respecting your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. This could mean starting a fitness routine, dedicating time for relaxation, or nurturing positive relationships. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's a necessary act of honoring yourself. Keeping a positive mindset is key. Life will have its ups and downs, but your perspective can shape your experience. Embrace optimism, but allow yourself to feel and process all emotions. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring the negative, but rather understanding that setbacks are temporary and growth opportunities. Lastly, seek continuous learning. The world is a vast library of knowledge waiting to be explored. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops. Learning not only empowers you with new skills and perspectives, but also fosters a mindset of growth and adaptability. As you embark on this journey of self-empowerment, remember that progress may not always be linear. There will be days of triumph and days of struggle. But that's okay, it's all part of the journey. Remember, self-empowerment isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous journey. As you continue to grow and evolve, remember to always honor your worth and empower yourself every step of the way.